What you got there?
A little office bag.
Okay, a little
I
office.
opened the faculty.
Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, there's like 150.
What does it all come with?
Like little computer.
Okay, little computer. What else comes with it?
Like a puppet.
Ooh, that's a calculator, actually.
Oh, a calculator.
Pop-it calculator.
Puppet.
Pretty cool. What else?
And there's like a couple numbers. And like some tea.
Some tea?
And this may be for this.
Oh. Now what are you going to say in it?
Hello, I love you.
Okay, now what else do you got with it?
Like kitty.
All right, show me the other stuff.
Like
Watch.
a watch, and some glasses, and a phone, and a name tag, and that's it.
Name tag. Oh, you forgot these. These are like your business cards. Yeah. So you pass them out to people and you say, please call this number if you need some assistance. A lot of stuff. So we did tie the lanyard here. It was a little long, so easily to tie it up and shorten it.
What is the puppy for?
What puppy?
This.
It sings.
No.
And you got the little phone here. Here is the watch. And you just slide it, and lots of options for adjusting for size. Obviously business cards, cute little play glasses. Nothing's actually in the lens. There's like nothing here, so you don't have to worry about that. Little headset. And of course the cute little bag.
I get to leave
Little office bag. You can actually take this off.
Oh, I knew it.
See, you can take that off and then you can just do it as this. And you can like bring it with you in the car or whatever. You can bring this whole thing really in the car. It's pretty. And all that, yeah, because you got a carrying bag so you can carry it around with you. Pretty cool. There's also a little doodle pad with it that you can color on it. And then you just press the power button to erase whatever you color on it. And then on the back, there's actually a lock feature. If you don't want to have it erased, you can lock it.
If you still lock it, then you could still color on it.
Yes, you can still color when you lock it, but you can't erase it. Thanks for sending us this to review.